Widespread Microsoft Outlook and Teams outage disrupts users across US and abroad. Millions of users of Microsoft's productivity tools experienced service disruptions on January 22, 2026, as widespread issues affected Outlook email and Teams communications across multiple regions. Reports began emerging early in the morning with users encountering problems sending and receiving emails, accessing calendars, and using Teams for meetings, chats, and collaboration. The outage drew immediate attention on social media and outage tracking sites, where thousands of reports indicated both Outlook and Teams services were failing to function normally for many customers using Microsoft 365 subscriptions and enterprise accounts. Users widely reported delays, error messages, and complete inaccessibility to core features during the disruption. User experiences and scope of the outage. The service interruptions were felt not only by individual consumers but also by businesses, schools, and organizations that rely on Microsoft's cloud-based tools for daily operations. With remote work, virtual meetings, and real-time collaboration now integral to workflows, the outage significantly affected communication and productivity across industries. Common user complaints included emails stuck in outboxes or failing to sync, inability to log into Outlook accounts, Teams chats not loading or messages not sending, meetings failing to start due to app connectivity issues. Many users turned to platforms like Downdetector and X, formerly Twitter, to report problems and share screenshots of errors, making the outage one of the most widely discussed technology disruptions of the week. Enterprise administrators also reported errors on Microsoft admin dashboards indicating service degradation or interruption. Microsoft's response. Microsoft acknowledged the issues on its Microsoft 365 status page, confirming that Outlook and Teams services were experiencing degraded performance and outages for a portion of users. The company stated its engineering teams were actively investigating the root cause and working to restore full service as quickly as possible. In its notice to customers, Microsoft advised that some users may experience intermittent access and recommended checking the Microsoft 365 status portal for real-time updates and information on progress toward resolution. While the company did not initially provide a detailed explanation for the disruption or a precise timeline for a fix, its acknowledgement helped reassure users that the outage was recognized and under active review. Wider impact on business and education. The outage underscored the reliance of modern workplaces and educational institutions on cloud-based productivity platforms. Microsoft Outlook, a cornerstone of business email and calendaring, and Teams, a primary tool for online meetings and internal communication, are both deeply woven into daily operations for organizations around the world. For businesses coordinating remote teams, the outage caused scheduling confusion and disrupted meetings that had been planned for the day. Schools and universities using Teams for virtual classes and collaboration also reported interruptions in lesson delivery and communication. Historical context of similar outages. This incident marks one of several major outages affecting Microsoft's cloud services in recent years. Large-scale technology outages, whether from software bugs, configuration errors, or overloads, often reverberate widely due to the global footprint of services like Microsoft 365. Outages of this nature typically prompt discussions about redundancy, cloud infrastructure resilience, and the dependence of critical functions on single service providers. As workforces increasingly operate in hybrid and remote settings, the need for reliable connectivity and robust contingency plans has become paramount for IT leaders. What users can do. While Microsoft works to fully restore service, users affected by the outage were advised to check the Microsoft 365 Service Health Dashboard for updates. Use alternative communication tools where possible. Save drafts locally if email sync is delayed. Reconnect or restart the apps once services are reported restored. Users and administrators were also encouraged to communicate any ongoing issues to their IT support teams and keep stakeholders informed of potential disruptions. Moving forward, services like Outlook and Teams have become essential infrastructure for global communication and productivity. This outage highlights both the convenience and vulnerability of cloud-dependent workflows. As Microsoft continues investigating and resolving the issue, many organizations will be evaluating internal contingency protocols to mitigate the impact of future service interruptions. For now, millions of users remain attentive to official updates as they await full restoration of Microsoft's core communication tools.